Hi friends, welcome back to Brain Teller General Knowledge Important Fact Series. Let us start with ICRISAT. ICRISAT full form is International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics. It is located in Telangana state in Hyderabad city. ICRISAT is located in Hyderabad city. Next one, Earth Day is celebrated on which date? Earth Day is celebrated on which date? Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Every year on 22nd April. Next one, UNICEF. UNICEF full form is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. UNICEF headquarters is located in New York. UNICEF headquarters is located in New York. UNICEF was founded in the year 1946. In 1946. Next one, who is the father of modern history? Leopold von Ranke is the father of modern history. Next one, ISRO headquarters is located in which city? ISRO headquarters is located in Bengaluru in Karnataka state. Next, it was founded in 1969. It was founded in 1969. Next, this is the important question. Who is the founder of Lodi dynasty? Who is the founder of Lodi dynasty? The founder of Lodi dynasty is Bahlul Khan Lodi. He is the founder of Lodi dynasty. Lodi dynasty is an Afghan dynasty. It is the fifth and final dynasty. Ruled the Delhi Sultanate from 1451 to 1526. From 1451 to 1526. Next one, the only Indian who is the last Governor General after India's independence is Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari is the last Governor General of Governor of India after independence. He is the last Governor General after independence. Next, money bill can only be introduced in which house? Money bill can only be introduced in which house? Money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. It can be passed by Lok Sabha and then it can be sent to Raj Sabha. Money bill can be passed by Lok Sabha and it can be sent to Raj Sabha. Next one, milk is a type of emulsion. Milk is a type of emulsion. It contains fat particles known as globules. These globules are immersed in aqueous environment. Milk is a type of emulsion. Next, this is the last one. Maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members. Maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552, whereas Raj Sabha is 250. Out of 552, 530 represent states and 20 represent union territories, and 2 members are nominated by President to the Lok Sabha. 2 members are nominated by Lok Sabha. 2 members are nominated to Lok Sabha, whereas Raj Sabha maximum member is 250. Out of 250, 238 represent states and union territories, and 12 members are nominated by the President of India. Raj Sabha is a permanent body. It is not subjected to dissolution. With this, we have come to an end for our video. Please subscribe to Brain Tell's channel. Thank you for watching this video.